Clever Fox End of Life Planner is a comprehensive, easy-to-use tool for putting together all crucial information, instructions, and personal thoughts to guide your loved ones. This planner comes in A5 format and measures 5.8 inches by 8.3 inches. The hardcover is made of durable, premium quality vegan leather to ensure it stands the test of time. It features an elastic band, a pen holder, a ribbon bookmark, thick 120 GSM no-bleed paper, and an expandable pocket for loose notes at the back. The planner is divided into 16 themed sections, each marked with a tab, making it easy to navigate and keep your records organized. Because it includes as much relevant information as possible, you can use this planner as a helpful guide to ensure you record everything you need. Some sections might not apply to you, so you can skip those and return to them later. We've also included plenty of empty dotted pages to add any extra information you consider helpful at the back. The first section helps to record all basic personal information, including your contact details, ID number, closest relatives, frequently used passwords, and location of your will and other important documents. This section is located right at the front of the book to ensure it is easy to find. Next comes the medical information section, where you can add your basic medical data, contact details of preferred healthcare providers, family health history, location of important medical documents, and any extra notes. The arrangements section includes a Who to Notify table and a dedicated page for recording any personal arrangements you've made. This is followed by the dependents section, where you can add detailed care instructions for up to 6 of your dependents if needed. The finance section includes comprehensive pre-printed entries for your appointed agent information, banking accounts and cards, any active investments you have, your tax records and safe deposit box, as well as the information on anything you owe in loans, bills, judgments, and more, and anything owed to you. Preparing this data is a great way to ensure your loved ones can access your finances easily and are fully informed about your financial situation. The business section is an easy way to store the most crucial information for your business, if you have one. Here, you can add the contact details of all key employees, the business's website and social media information, and any other notes and instructions you want to share. If you have beneficiaries, add them to the following section to ensure this data is easily accessible. Continue by recording other key contacts, such as your executor, attorney, accountant, and key healthcare providers. Next, create a detailed record of your personal property, including information on your real estate, vehicles, and other possessions. This way, you can ensure that all these possessions are easy to access if needed. Use the insurance section to store up-to-date insurance information, from life and health to rental and storage insurance policies. If you have any pets, add them to the dedicated pet section to ensure their care and health information can be found easily. In the accounts and membership section, list all accounts that need to be paid or canceled, as well as your auto-pay and other online accounts, any charities you support, and any active memberships you have. Finally, record your login details for any emails and other online accounts your relatives might need to access. We recommend using a pencil when recording this data so you can update it easily if something changes. At the back of the book, we've also included some empty lined pages for detailed instructions for the caregivers, your personal wishes, and any last words you want to share. Using all these, you can prepare a complete record with all crucial information and ensure that everything is taken care of in due course. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.